Don't even show your head in a math test if you can solve this question. How are you going to solve it? You are going to be expressing this into algebraic form using the exponential formula. Expressing this into its exponential form, further simplifying it to have it algebraic basic form. Okay, we can just simplify this to something better. That will be equal to what? I all over what? 1 plus I root 3 divided by 2. That is the same question. Don't forget. Power 24. Okay, let them express into it exponential form. The basic formula is what? Cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to what? E to the I theta. Don't forget about the R because sometimes there's an R here. That is what you have as the answer. Okay, let's apply this to this. Basic one, we take about the I. The angle between this in exponential form will be E to the I theta, and the theta is what? Pi on 2. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how we have this angle. Talking about now 1 plus I root 3 over 2. The angle will be equal to what? E to the I pi on 3. Okay, let's do it all together. We start with the first one. Plotting on this angle diagram, you're going to be having what? There is I, this is the imaginary part here. You're going to have 1, and the real part is 0. What's the angle from here? That is 90 degrees, and that is pi on 2. Then moving on to the next one, we're having this. First of all, you're going to find the angle theta, that is tan inverse of what? Root 3 on 2, 1 divided by root 3 on 1, half divided by root 3 on 2. Okay, and your answer will be equal to pi on 3, that is 30 degrees. And this fall in the first quadrant. Since all are positive, the angle will be here, pi on 3. Let's just have a background knowledge. In case you have negative 1 plus I, what will be your answer? This will fall in a negative quadrant because this negative 1 and this I. Okay, and tan inverse of that, tan inverse of negative 1 is equal to 45 degrees. That is the answer, 45 degrees. But actually, if you have to express this into the exponential form, that will be E to the what? The angle will not be pi on 4. No, it will be 180 minus 45. And that is 135. Yeah, 180 minus 45. That is 135. Okay, the angle will be 135. That will be E to the 135 degree I. Okay, expressing this, that will be something like 2 pi on 3, something like that. Yeah, that is the answer here, not pi on 4. Because you put pi on 4 here, that is the wrong answer because you are not respecting the quadrant, because this is in the second quadrant and the angle here is what? 180 minus the theta you had to have the final answer. Don't confuse this. Okay, here is what we had. Then let's substitute it back in our initial equation. We are going to have what? E to the I pi all over what? E to the pi on 3, I pi on 3, all to the power 2024. Okay, this will be further expressed to what? From basic indices, that will be E to the I pi minus pi on 3. Okay, this pi on 2, sorry, there 90 degrees, pi on 2. Okay, pi on 2. That was an error here. Pi on 2. Okay. And you're going to be having, further simplifying this, you're going to have, okay, don't forget to the 2024, you're going to have E to the what? I pi on 6, all that to the power 2024. And we can just write it as what? E to the I 2024 pi all over 6. That's what you have. By simplifying this, that is 3 minus 2. You're going to have 1 over 6. Okay, we have this as the answer. We can further simplify, break this so as to solve it gently to E to the I 2022 on 6 pi times E to the 2 pi over 6. Okay, that is what we had. That is here will be pi on 3. I just erase. Here will be pi on 3 directly. Okay, I, I'm forgetting the I. And simplifying this, we're going to be having what? In the form, this as the theta. Or we can just take this I pi, we can just put this as in a beta form. And put this as I pi all to the power 22 over 6. So it should not disturb you while solving. Then e to the I pi, like cos 1h is equals to minus 1. And sine 1h is equals to 0. This will be times what? We solve for this. 1h divided by 3, that is 60 degrees. Cos 60 is equals to what? Half. We're going to have what? Half here. Plus sine 60 is equals to root 3 all over 2i. Here is what we're going to be having. And from here, you're going to be having what? That is equals to negative half minus root 3 all over 2i. And that is the answer to the above question. That's all in this video to the end. Goodbye.